Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you solo battles in Ultimate Team. In the beginning, let's go to Ultimate Team menu and enter solo battles. Take on lineups from the community each week to earn rewards. Here you can select feature opponent, opponent select, my rank or top 100. Advance, and now select battle score difficulty.
Set to go now on a beautiful sunny afternoon, and we are underway from Arrowhead. And able to get this out to the 25. So out comes the Washington offense onto the field. As we get a peek at the former Red Raider and 10th pick in the 2017 draft, Patrick Mahomes.
And when you think of Patrick Mahomes, you start to think about all of his attributes, and you realize very quickly, you can't just put him into one box. No matter how the game proceeds, no matter what is needed, he tends to have an answer for it and plays accordingly.
Open man is Kyle Pitts, his tight end. And he gets this one just shy of the 40, down at the 39. So from the 39 now, they'll come up on a 1st and 10. Working from the gun, Mahomes. The coverage may be too good that time.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.